It is, Bhrigu Shastra is in our family for a long period of more than about 500 years. It is passing on from one person to another. Our grandfather and forefathers were using this Granth. So it was passed on to my father and then to me. We are two brothers. My elder brother is doctor. He is Dr. S.N. Tiwari. He is MD medicine, so he did not use this Granth. So my father gave it to me. I was a lecturer previously in physics, MSc in physics. So when he was to leave his body, he said that you should. I hand over these pages to you. So with his blessing, my father is there. So this is going on, and if some instructions will come for the next generation that who will hold the Granth, then we will pass on to that. It came in his reading that your younger son will be doing this Granth work, so that is why I am here.
Okay. So basically, this pages has been passed on to your father from his elders.
From his elders.
Okay.
And during the reign of Aurangzeb,
Yes.
Aurangzeb was destroying Hindu Shastras. So our forefathers who were holding these Shastras, so they, out of fear that Aurangzeb may not destroy all the Shastras, they migrated from Uttar Pradesh to Punjab.
Okay.
Punjab was a safe period, safe area. Ranjit Singh and Aurangzeb could not come to this area. He was mainly concentrated in Rajasthan, UP and southern part of the country. So they decided that we should shift to Punjab. That is why our Brahman family shifted to Punjab.
Okay. Could you tell the procedure if a person wants to get his reading, what does he need to do?
Yes, there are two types of procedures in Bhrigu Grantha. One is according to the birth horoscope, and second is according to the question horoscope. So birth horoscope, in that we require the chart of the Lagan chart of the person concerned, the Jatak, his name, father's name, to tell you that this kundi belongs to him, because at a time there may be 1,000, 2,000 people taking birth at the same time, and their chart may be the same, Lagna be same, and all other grahas be same. So just to establish that this chart belongs to the same person, if his name, father names all tallies, then that page is taken out and it is read out, predicted. This is the chart horoscope. But with the passage of time, during the passage period of lifetime, the questions are going on changing. Lord Bhrigu can give some broad spectrum, and these years will be like this, these years like with this, these are bad years, good years, this is happening, and family circumstances. But after, there are some periods which are not covered, there is a gap, and one is actually in need of the questions only, that whether I will be successful in this area, or what I will do, 3-4 years, what will happen. For that, the question horoscopes were added by the Lord Bhrigu. So if sometime person is not interested about the whole life, what will happen in 76 years or 80 years, he is more interested that during 2-3 years, what will be my fate. So for that he has given the question also. As soon as the person comes, then the chart according to that, it works.
Basically, it's a prashna.
It is a prashna, question horoscope. So in question, there can be many people sitting for 20, 25, 50. They get their answer in one page only. That is the basic question chart, which is located at the beginning of the day. So it works for the whole day, in which it is guided, and so will come. So and so are sitting, they are advised according to when they will get next reading. Just today, as the person got that, he will get reading on Tritiya, Akshay Tritiya. They
Yes.
gave me a call when there is Akshaya Tritiya.
Mhm.
So they have been advised that you will again get more reading on Akshaya Tritiya.
Okay. Is this a very, since you have knowledge of other similar scriptures, is this a bit similar to Jivanadi, as you say, that it is live, dynamic, the Prashna Kundi, many people will be sitting here, and the question would be raised that could be applicable to
Applicable to many people.
many people.
But this Prabhu Samhita is somewhat different from the Nadi.
Yes.
In Nadi, most of the fingerprints and some thumb impression is required.
Yes.
But here in this case, Prabhu Samhita, there is no such case is required.
Mhm.
It is only we have to tally the horoscope and the Prashna chart.
Okay.
So it is different from that.
Okay. When you say tally the horoscope, what horoscope details are usually given in Bhrigu Shastra?
But everything is given from start from the birth to end. This will
Okay.
happen. Predictive part. It is
No.
mostly predictive. part.
Chart-wise.
Chart-wise,
What is given?
You get the Kumbh Lagna and this is
Okay.
Rahu is situated at this place.
So you get the chart, the triangular chart with the 12 houses.
Yes, yes.
Do you get degrees or location of birth?
No.
You don't?
A birth place is required
Okay.
just to see that whether there are most of the classification in this Bhrigu Grantha is according to rivers and mountains.
Okay.
So most of the latitude are, that is the modern latitude that is not given.
Yes.
It is that गंगा प्रांत यमुना प्रांत में होगा, गंगा यमुना के मध्य में होगा,
Okay.
and वो हिमगिरी के निकट होगा.
Okay.
Like that, mountains.
Is any time given of birth of the Jatak?
Time is mostly Lagan when the Lagna is narrated.
Okay.
So Ishtkal and all that is
Is
given.
given. Okay. In your experience, has one leaf ever come out, that one leaf, for two people?
The one leaf not for two people, one leaf for one people.
Yes.
But the same leaf on another kundli
Yeah.
for another people can come out. Because
Okay.
though two persons may have the same chart horoscope.
Okay. Okay.
That if they're taking birth at 11 a.m.,
Mhm.
they both will have the same chart.
Mhm.
But their names, father name and all will differ.
Mhm.
So they will have it.
Yeah.
As there are two persons taking birth simultaneously, जुड़वा बच्चे आ जाते हैं.
Uh-huh.
तो उनका when there is no difference or 3-4 minutes difference, but they have the same chart. Their chart is the same. So
Okay.
they get the same chart of the same Lagna.
Okay.
But their east differ by some pala
Yes.
and all that.
Because to my knowledge, this was created in the Satyuga.
Right.
Uh,
Right.
Yeah, Satyuga. Present day, there are many religious cultures that are present today, which are around 2000 to 4000 years old,
Right.
such as Christianity and Islam. Has there been any mention of such cultures?
Right. These pages were first written with the dawn of the civilization because Lord Bhrigu helped Brahmaji in the creation of the Srishti. When Brahmaji was ordered to start creation, he was not able to plan how he should start the creation. So he was in a fix. Sometimes some project is given to one person that you have to work on this project. Then he has to consult many things and biodata and all that, what to do. So he was not able to. When he was in deep thinking, then with his mind, some rishis came out. They are called the mind-born son of Brahmas. There were 4 rishis, Sanak, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar, etc. 4 rishis first, born out from Brahma's mind. Then they asked Brahma, "Oh Lord Brahma, why you have created us?" Brahmaji said, I have to start the Srishti, but I have not been able to get how to do the project. Please guide me. They said, okay, how we can help you? Brahmaji said, you go and do some tapasya on this matter, how to hold this problem. Then you come after doing some tapasya. You are just born, how should I guide you? You go and do some tapasya. So they Sanat Kumar, they went to do some tapasya. Then Brahmaji after some time called them by their mind waves. They sent the mind waves that please come up. They came up. Brahmaji asked, how have you realized something or on this issue? They said, oh no, we have forgotten in tapasya, so we cannot help. And they regretted that in future we are not also going to help. हम तो तपस्या ही करेंगे. Then Brahmaji again became in thought, Chintan. Then again from his thought waves, 10 rishis were born. Brahma and Bhrigu, Angira, Pulatsa, Kritu, there are some names. So Bhrigu, then he said again the things to please guide me, you help me. Then Bhriguji and all other rishis bent to on tapasya. But Lord Bhrigu kept the target before him that I have to सृष्टि का परम कैसे होगा, कैसे निर्माण होगा, क्या करें, इस चीज़ को मोटिव में रखकर then he went on tapasya. So during the realization he got all the answers from the Par Brahma or what we can say from Vishnu. So when he got all the answers, then Brahmaji again after some time called all of them. Now other rishis said, no, we are not interested, we are not able to do any creation, we are not interested. Rakhdeo Om Prakash Halir Melana. When he called on Bhrigu, Bhrigu said, okay, I have realized everything, so let us discuss and we can start accordingly on the issue. Then he told Brahmaji, his father, that the Srishti will be created from the Panch Tattva, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Tattva and all that. And 84 लाख योनियाँ होंगी, जलचर, थलचर, नभचर होंगे, ऐसे होंगे. Number 2, so most important is that you should now stop your this mind-born Srishti. I have seen that Shiva and Shakti with Stri and Purush in 2 forms, and next Srishti creation will start from Stri and Purush. He told him everything. उड़ने वाले होंगे, जल वाले होंगे, सब उनको ज्ञान करवा. Last and least he said that then to keep all check on these Srishti, there will be a law of karma. When we created them, they will start their life, but if we don't have any check, then it will be chaos in the Srishti. They are bound to get the reward of the karma, whatsoever they do, it will be accumulated. Now it is upon you. If you think that they should get the reward in the same birth, then you should lay down for that. But if you say that, okay, no problem, let the karmas pass on, and if the person may get the reward in the some other birth also, then you make the Srishti accordingly, whatsoever you like for that. Then Brahma said, okay, I have got the basic knowledge. Now I will prepare मिट्टी से, जल, वायु, अग्नि, पंच तत्वों से I will start the creation. और आज से मानसी सृष्टि को बंद करते हैं, तो मनुष्य रूपा की क्रिएशन करके.
So, in other words, there are leaves or there are pages for people from Islam, Christianity and other races.
I tell you that afterward, when the creation was started, then after some time, Bhriguji thought, I should see what is happening in the Srishti which I guided to my father Brahmaji, whether they are all going on well or there is some problems in the Srishti. Then he realized that when he saw all persons crying and all that, they are suffering, then he thought, oh, why the Srishti which I created is not going on well. Now these people who are crying, they are suffering, how can I can help them? Then he planned that I should help them. Then he took a vision of all the souls. Then he said, okay, I will try to help them by writing down some granth, so that those who will want to get their some solutions, they will be benefited. So he started writing, and then he visualized that with his third eye power, that during the course of time, many dharmas will come in the field, some Mohammedans and Islamics and other Christianity and Buddha and all that.
Yeah.
They are going to get these dharmas. Some people of this will be coming, they are following. Then he said, okay, then it is passage of time, when this time will come, let them. Then he has guided to all the peoples.
As far as Bhrigu Shastra is concerned, does it only give readings for individuals, or it can give readings for countries or natural disasters also?
It gives reading for countries also. It gives for natural disasters also. So fate of a country is linked with some important persons also. Like the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri in Russia.
Okay.
It was predicted that such a soul has died there. So their mischief has been done there. So with this, the country will have to face the problem, and this country, many parts of will be disintegrated.
Okay.
So that is naturally USSR has been, you see, after that slowly and slowly decay. For natural disasters come that this is going to happen, like tsunami and bhukamp and all that, in case they get instructions for whole universe.
Can you give any such examples for a past natural disaster or a future natural disaster that has come to your light?
Previous disasters we have been predicting. There were some predictions given in newspapers
Okay.
that this is going to happen, this will happen like that. In 1992, it was mentioned that this temple will be, Rama temple will be destroyed, Babri Masjid
Yes.
will be destroyed. All the monkeys who were at that time, at the Rama period was there, who helped Rama during the invasion, they all have taken birth in India, and they will go there to dissolve this and to again destroy this Babri Masjid. So it was given in press news also in 1992.
Okay.
So 6th December it was destroyed there.
So it was present in the Bhrigu leaf
Yes,
that
it
was present with
it
you?
was present to our displays.
Okay. That was in your possession?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It was mentioned.
Future readings, for future things, how does it happen? You get this Adesh, or it comes, how does it take place, the operation?
We just get the page.
Right.
So this page is interpreted.
Okay.
It is a dialogue between Shukra and Bhrigu.
Okay.
Shukra is the son of Lord Bhrigu.
Yes.
So Shukra is asked, oh Lord, tell me about this person who is having such Lagna, Kumbh Lagna and the other planetary combinations. Then Lord Bhrigu tells him that this is the combination. Then he tells a yoga that under the given planet of this combination, this is the name of the yoga. And according to this yoga, I tell you the past, present and future of this person concerned. He will be such and such, he will be named as such and like that, he will have problems, heart problem in this age and all that. Then he suggests you some remedies, that you should do this mantra so much time, some yajna, and counteract the effect of previous birth. Lord Bhrigu tells that there are only 3 ways to amend the karma. No other procedure is possible. Dhanen tapsa chaiva bhoktabhen cha sarvatha. You can amend the karma only by penances, दान, तप, तपस्या. कुछ भोग करना ही पड़ेगा. कुछ कर्म हो गया, some karma is done. अब question is, how much intensity of the karma has been involved at that time? Some karmas are the सहज कर्मा. चलते चलते कर्म हो गया, किसी को ऐसे कीड़े मकोड़े पैरों के नीचे आके मर गए और मर गए, आपको पता भी नहीं कि कीड़े मकोड़े मर गए, तो उनकी इंटेंसिटी ऑफ कर्मा इज वेरी स्लो, वेरी लेस. कुछ निर्माण हुआ, किसी को आपने हानि हो गई आपके कार्य से, जैसे बिजनेस में हो गई, किसी हो गई, तो वो नेचुरल हो गई, तो कोई बात नहीं. बट वेयर देयर आर विलफुली नोइंगली विलफुली कर्म आपने किया, किसी का मर्डर प्लान किया, तो इंटेंसिटी बहुत स्ट्रांग है. दैट विल क्रिएट ए दृढ़ कर्मा. यू हैव टू फेस दृढ़ कर्मा एज इट इज. जिस तरह किया प्रतिफल वैसे. जिस तरह आपने मारा वो भी आपको हो सकता, वही व्यक्ति उसी तरह आपको मारे. और कुछ बहुत किसी का धन हरण किया तो आपको जीवन में धन कमाने के लिए नाना प्रकार की समस्याएं हैं. 3 मुख्य 95% जो पाप कर्म होता है वो धन से होता है. धन कमाने के लिए हम उसको करते हैं. तो इसलिए जब धन कमाने के लिए करते हैं तो उनको धन भी चैरिटी करनी पड़ेगी, तब वो रेक्टिफाई होगा. जिस विधि से पाप कर्म इकट्ठा हुआ उसी विधि से दूर हो. तो 3 प्रकार से हो. इसीलिए सब शास्त्रों ने दे हैव लेड डाउन दैट यू शुड डू द शांश ऑफ योर इनकम फॉर गुड कर्मास. And if you are practicing this, you have not to do any other karma. Nana is not required. You are already practicing that. 30-35 हज़ार आपने कमाया, आप पहले 3500 पहले ही निकाल के रख दिया. मैं किसी अच्छे काम में लगाऊंगा, किसी की हेल्प करूंगा, गरीब की, किसी की और की, तो आपका दान ऑटोमेटिकली हो रहा है. But when you are not in habit of that, you are not interested, कुछ करते नहीं, फिर क्या होता है? when the problems come up in the life, then people approach the persons, saint, ऋषि, मुनि, उनके पास जाते हैं. गुरु जी क्या करें, ये बताइए, कुछ हमारी ये समस्याएं आ रही हैं, कैसे दूर हो. देन वो गाइड करते हैं. अच्छा भी चलो, उनको लगता है कि धन की समस्या आ रही है तो उन्होंने धन हरण किया होगा, कहते जी ये दान करो, वो करो, वो करो, वो गाइड कर देते हैं. तो वो हम करते हैं दान बाई फोर्स, जो कहने से, किसी के कहने से. एक है नेचुरल, जब हमें ज्ञान हो जाए कि ये कर्मों को रिमूव करने का सहज मार्ग ही है. एक है भाई गाइडेड बाई ऋषि मुनि एंड सेंट्स. एक फिर है कि जब हम समस्या में आगे करते, प्रॉब्लम में फंसे हुए, केस बन गए, ये वकीलों को चल रहा पैसा, धन लग रहा. कर्म में तो अपनी गति से चलना है.
Pandit ji, as previously you were doing one of the readings and you mentioned Nadi. I was a bit surprised at Bhrigu Shastra mentioning about Nadi.
Right.
Could you please give a bit more information?
Bhriguji is Trikaldarshi, so he knows that some Nadi system by other Maharishis, Agastya and all that will also be in practice. So sometime he guides accordingly people who have previously linked with the Nadi, that he will get some guidance from that place also. So that is why he knew that.
And have you ever taken these readings abroad?
No, I have not.
Never.
No.
Okay.
But the abroad people, many person from USA, Canada, etc., they get reading from this place.
Okay.
They have come to this place.
Okay.
Some foreigners also and other Indian people who have settled abroad. They get reading. America is known as Patal Desh according to Bhrigu astrology. Person coming from Patal Desh. And this Canada is called Varun Dweep.
Okay.
So Varun Dweep, the people will be settled in Varun Dweep.
Okay.
And England is called Angal Desh. People settle in Angal Desh. The other South African countries, they are known as Yavan Desh. People coming from Yavan Desh and all that. So it is a mention about this.
Okay.
But the readings, they are individual. People coming for their problems. Some telephonically also.
Okay.
It is mentioned there that this person will get a reading to Dhvani Yantra. Dhvani Yantra ke madhyam se they will be guided. Some person who don't come, then they telephone, they rang up you again and again and again. And Panditji, please guide me, I cannot come. So if Lord is, when he comes to know, he knows the gravity of the situation. Lord Bhrigu.
Mhm.
There was sometimes people, they are not very much
In trouble.
they're neither, even if they don't get any reading,
Mhm.
there is nothing going to happen
Mhm.
in their life.
Mhm.
It is going on, and but some are in curiosity only and not very much interested.
Mhm.
But some, when he comes to know that this person is actually in need,
Mhm.
that I should help him, he is in problem,
Mhm.
then he must guide. He knows that I should send a message, at least, so that he is benefited. This is his blessing.